Hello guys, so today we would be talking about how we can build your own EV bike which can use electric power. And this is first part of whatever how many parts I can record for you guys to YouTube. So in the first part we would be talking about the battery. It's a first thing what you need to thinking about. And first we need to decide we would be using new one or use it. My decision is using used battery, and I bought it a lot of from eBay, Craigslist, OfferUp, doesn't matter where you can buy. I found up a lot of batteries from the laptop which use it 18650 batteries. When your battery on your computer, you think it's die, your battery die, it's not fully die, it's just one cell, maybe just one cell is broken or even die. So when I bought the batteries, I disassembled the batteries and tested out using iMax B6 Mini. It's a smart charger and discharger. When I discharge the batteries, I realized how many amperage it has in one cell. It's always different numbers, and if I see like this, something like this, 1200 milliamperes, so this is not very good. So I use it for flashlight or something, not a lot of power. But when I see good cells, I use an XLS, and I located my cells which can 1050 2300 or something like this, and I locate it, and then I measure for each cell. It should be 18,000 for one battery, and I show you guys how my battery should be looks like. It in the future it should be 48 voltage nominal, like minimum voltage, and maximum it's if I remember right, it's 58. If I'm not right, I in the description I write the right number. So for these cells I should be decided to 13S, excuse me, 13P. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 for 13, and like this it's a parallel, and 10 in this way. So in my battery it has 18 ampere for each one, 18 ampere, and like this. So when I build this battery, I show you guys how I build. So we can two ways. We can using solder iron and nickel strips, and then we weld in it. But it's not good for battery, because if you overheat your battery can be die, because inside I don't know what inside in like lithium ion and then something wet, if you overheat, it's, you know what I mean. So that's why I use a transformator from the microwave, and here we can see the first coil. First coil goes to the 120 voltage. It's a first coil, and then we have a lot of coils for it has small size of wire and a lot of coils for their, it's called high voltage. I can see here voltage, okay, whatever, but it's called 2000 voltage if you use it small size of wire. But we need not small size, but we need huge size of wire, because we need a lot of amperage. We don't need a lot of voltage, we need a lot of amperage for solder. And I show you guys how I soldered my battery pumps, and here is, like, click, and you can see it's turning on. So now I need some tools, and then I located these nickel strips like this. Good. And then we need one small wire and other one, and we need, it's much important, we need a lot of pressure to the battery, because if we're not pulling pressure, this is battery, this is nickel strips, if we have space here, it cannot be solder. I want to say welding. Sorry for my English, because English is not my first language. Maybe 1 year and some months I talking to English, so that's the reason why you're thinking I'm crazy. So in this time we push to here, and one more, pumps, a little bit more. Okay, and now it's done. I show you guys, you can see, perfect. And then a welder soldered here, and hold this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so 10s. You see, minus, and here is plus, same 10, and we have 13 batteries, so it's huge one battery, huge second battery, third, fourth, 5 6 7 8 9 9 and 10, something like this. And here is 10 12 and 13 or something else, whatever. I draw in the picture how I need to build it, so locate it like this, or other side. So I know what to do. So, and this part I think it's done, and next part of video we would be talking about BMS, because BMS need to the for the charger. If we charge the battery, we need to use BMS for the lithium-ion batteries, because if you would be charge the battery lithium-ion, it can be unbalanced. So here is 3 voltage, for example, and here is 2.5. It's not good. We need to balance in the same voltage for each batteries. How we can do? We don't know. It's BMS is no right. She knows how to charge each cells for same voltage in the same time. So thank you guys for you would be here with me, and sorry for my English. If you want to kill me please. Next part, we will be talking about BMS. I show you guys how to weld each wires to this battery, and other video we talking about the motor which I use for EV bike. I show you guys which motor I choose. I decided to order. It should comes to 3, 5, 4 days. Thank you guys. See you guys.